And major surgery without anesthesia. Coming up, a non-opioid approach to standard narcotics. In today's Health Alert, overdose deaths from opioid abuse have quadrupled since 1999. That prompted the U.S. Surgeon General to write every doctor in the U.S. and ask them to help solve the opioid addiction problem. One local doctor may have a solution. He's developed a non-opioid approach to standard anesthesia to control pain. Narcotics have been the foundation of anesthesia since the 1800s, but they don't work the same for everyone.
I just can't explain how horrible that, knowing that you're going to throw up, knowing that your gut is going to feel like it's being ripped open again and again and again.
That's the violent reaction Kathy Kalaman had to narcotics that were administered in anesthesia against her wishes during uterine cancer surgery in 2013. 2 years later, a routine mammogram detected breast cancer. Kathy chose to have a bilateral mastectomy, but this time she firmly told her surgeon absolutely no narcotics.
She just smiled and said, "I've got somebody for you to meet."
There he is, Dr. Wonderful.
Dr. Wonderful is anesthesiologist Joseph Myers. He developed the Comfort Safe Pyramid, an inverted checklist of drugs from the most potent on down.
The narcotics are at the top of the pyramid. They're in the red zone because it's top heavy with side effects.
So you start from the bottom and work your way up with this pyramid?
Absolutely, and sometimes we don't have to go far.
The Comfort Safe alternative provides relief from nausea, vomiting, and can avoid other negative side effects, including respiratory depression and dropping blood pressure. A big plus, it won't add to addictive problems.
Overdose is the #1 cause of accidental death, and we are a factor in contributing to iatrogenic addiction caused by doctors. And whatever we can do to avoid narcotics in that regard is a big deal.
And after 2 separate breast procedures with Comfort Safe, Kathy says recovery was a whole different ballgame.
I couldn't wait to get up to my room, get healthy, and get out of there. And not having narcotics was a better outcome for me, even though I had my breast removed. Now, if patients need narcotics, Dr. Myers says they will be able to have them, but often in a reduced state.